Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can reconnect the robot to the Wi-Fi or connect it for the first time, and there we have the MOVA P50 Ultra. So if you want to connect your robot to the Wi-Fi or just switch the Wi-Fi network, we have to choose the robot. If you want to how to do it in the first setup, you can find other video on the channel. I'm showing you how you can connect it for the first time. Okay, then click on the three-dot icon in the up corner, then go to the more functions and tap on the Wi-Fi management. Then tap on the Wi-Fi list, and if you click on the plus in the top corner, you can find the other Wi-Fi network on the list and connect it once again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.